Founders don't lose time because one inbox is busy. They lose time because every conversation lives somewhere different. A prospect asks a simple question, but the reply still needs context, clarity, tone, and the right next step. What do I say? How do I say it? And how do I move this closer to a client? Meet B2B Growth Kit, built to help your B2B business find, connect, and keep clients. Connect Tool adds this magic reply button inside LinkedIn. One click and the AI does the thinking work. It reads the chat, uses your business context, matches your tone, and drafts the reply in the light speed. So instead of wasting time thinking from zero, you get a reply that already knows your business, your tone, and the next step. Less time stuck writing replies. More time closing deals and growing your business. Close deals faster, easier, in your own voice with your business context. Not only works with LinkedIn, it works across WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook too. Start free at b2bgrowthkit.com.